Okay guys, that's the tea on the go. I've got the slow cooker going. Corned beef hash. I'll leave that going for several hours and then we'll have that for tea. Now I've never made this before, so I've just made it up. Just thrown a load of stuff in it. Potato, carrots, onions, corned beef and stock. Let's see what it tastes like. Can always have a chippy. Good Thursday afternoon guys. Look at that black clouds. It's been forecasting rain all week but it's hardly appeared. I think we might be getting some in a bit. Okay, my dad's just having a little bit of a kip upstairs. He's just took himself off to bed for a couple of hours. And I've been snoozing on the couch, to be quite honest. I didn't sleep very well last night. Gonna just make myself a cup of tea now. Watch something on the TV. I think we're going out for our tea tonight. I think we're going down to the Boathouse down the road, just down the road there for our tea. And that's all we've got planned. So we'll see if my dad's up and fit for going there. It wore him out going to the supermarket yesterday. He was tired when he got back. He went to have a lie down and didn't see him for an hour. But anyway, I'll make myself a cup of tea now and go and watch the TV. Moving on. Okay guys, here we are in the pub. We have a view of the road. I've ordered Hunter's chicken and I'm just having myself a bite of bitter. A quick scoot of the pub. Okay guys, so there you go. I've got myself a Hunter's chicken with a bit of salad and chips.
Can you have another round of drinks?
Same again?
Yeah.
And Ian's got himself fish and chips. And my dad's got himself bangers and mash. And we're getting another drink.